ग्लोबल स्टार से एक सवाल है मेरा यहाँ पे. प्लीज टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस extraordinary filmmaker Shankar sir, because यहाँ पे people are saying Shankar sir and Ramcharan दोनों साथ में आ रहे हैं, बहुत बवाल होने वाला है. What do you have to say on that?
See, Shankar sir made a remake of Three Idiots in South. It's called Nanban. Yeah. So when they released in Telugu, I was the chief guest for that. I was sitting it's a small story I just want to share. I was sitting next to Shankar sir. एंड मैंने ये सोच रहा था कि अरे कैसे बोलूं शंकर सर, एक मेरे साथ नहीं किसी के साथ भी इट्स ओके, बट जस्ट मेक ए तेलुगु फिल्म यार. सिर्फ तमिल फिल्म बनाते हो एंड मेरे डैड के साथ बनाओ या एनी ऑफ माय कंटेम्पररी हीरोज. बट वो बोलने के लिए आई डिडंट हैव द गट्स आल्सो. एंड आफ्टर कपल ऑफ इयर्स देन आई गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम मिस्टर राजगारू saying, Shankar sir, I was last 2 schedules of RRR I was working. Then Raju sir comes to Ramoji Film City where I was working. He says, Ram, Sir Shankar wants to work. I said, huh? I said, yeah, baad mein bolenge. He said, hello. क्या बाद में बोलेंगे? Shankar sir है. He said, आपके पास क्या है? Shankar sir आएगा. Then I got to know it is really Shankar sir. I was like, shit, Raju sir, call right now. So it is such a dream come true for me. We all have been watching his movies growing up. Recently Mr. Rajmouli sir also said he's the epitome of commercial films, the larger than life. He has defined what is the global film and global cinema and the pan-India cinema. He was the first pan-India director we had. Hats off to him, and I'm so blessed. And yeah, I don't know how my dad will feel, but yeah, I'm very blessed. He should have done it with dad. So I'm very fortunate, and it's a blessing to work in just 5 years to work with a director like Mr. Rajmouli Garu and then Shankar. As an actor, it is so enriching, and it's so much to learn from both of them.
There's there's no comparison, of course, but both of them are like masters of their craft. But S.S. Rajamouli sir and S. Shankar sir. So how do you see this thing ki, you were directed by Rajamouli sir and now Shankar sir? Kya difference hai?
Thank God, difference. You didn't compare them.
Not at all, sir. Not at all.
So both of them are taskmasters. Both of them expect a lot from each and every person. And especially having such beautiful actors. He is one of the craziest person and the craziest actors I've met. He is. And he just said he saw the song and he saw Kiara and me. मैंने तो producer का ये देखा था उसमें. So I think both Mr. Rajmouli sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity perform करने के लिए and to be your best. It is very rare to work with such talent, and they keep pushing you always. And there's not one day where थोड़ा relax होने के लिए time मिलता है. नहीं. Every day, even if it's a single shot. I remember one day I was sitting with Shankar sir saying, "Hi Ram, coffee bag." Yes sir. Abhi first day tha. Then he was having a coffee. I was having a coffee, and suddenly he started looking not at me, at my hair. And he called assistant director. He said, "Idhar aao, wo iPad leke aao." And he's looking at the iPad and this thing. I said, then मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया he's not talking to me. वो character के साथ बात कर रहा है. Ram Nanda. I said, "Idhar aao." And he started touching me. It is very intimidating when somebody touches you like this. I said, I can't say. He said, कुछ बदला क्या? क्योंकि iPad में जो आपको पिक्चर ने भेजा था वो कैरावन में exactly नहीं था. I said, I swear to God, it is only 5% difference from what he sent. But he is so particular and he's so master at his craft. Even that 5%, it doesn't matter. And even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Haasan ji, he worked with, or myself, doesn't matter. He's so particular. So that's what I enjoyed working with him. And yeah, that's something. Yeah.
Right.